I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: account, registered mobile, and debit card. This matters because OTPs and PINs will verify you. Once ready, open the Kotak website or app and choose New User Registration, enter your customer ID or the 16-digit debit card number, and provide the expiry month. Then request OTP, make sure your phone is nearby. This first step authenticates you. It prevents fraud and links your device to the bank for secure access. Once you receive the OTP, enter it promptly and create a unique login ID. Use letters and numbers to strengthen security. Next, set your password and then create an MPIN or MPass for mobile use. Enable biometrics if your phone supports it, because that speeds login and adds protection. After that, set a separate transaction PIN for payments. This PIN authorizes transfers and bill payments. Make sure to save recovery questions and note them securely. This helps you regain access if needed. To finish, perform a small NEFT or IMPS transfer to a verified beneficiary. This confirms beneficiary setup, limits, and transaction PIN flow. Explore bill pay, UPI, fixed deposit booking, and e-statements. Review transaction limits and beneficiary settings to avoid surprises. If you get locked out, use the forgot password flow on the site or call Kotak 24x7 support. Have your CIF and registered mobile handy. One key tip: if OTPs fail,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.